Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Practice English Easily. In today's video, I'm going to share 100 brand new daily use English sentences for intermediate learners. These sentences will help you speak naturally and confidently in everyday life. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. Part 1. Daily Conversation. I just woke up a few minutes ago. I'm getting ready to leave. Let me know when you reach home. I had a busy day today. I'm feeling a little lazy right now. Let's talk about it later. I'm not sure what to cook today. Let me grab some water first. I'll join the call in a minute. I'm trying to improve my English every day. I'm thinking about taking a short nap. I need to check my schedule. Give me 5 minutes, please. I'm leaving now. See you soon. That's exactly what I was thinking. I'll tell you everything when we meet. I'm feeling a bit hungry. I'm not in a hurry. I enjoy talking to you. Please be patient with me. Part 2. Social life. Let's meet somewhere quiet. I'm glad you came. That really means a lot to me. I'm sorry if I made you uncomfortable. I didn't want to disturb you. I completely understand your point. Let me check and get back to you. I'm happy to help anytime. You can call me whenever you need. That's so thoughtful of you. We should do this more often. I really enjoy talking to you. I didn't expect you to remember. Let's not argue about this. I think we should take a break. I appreciate your honesty. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. I'm proud of the progress you've made. I love spending time with my family. Let's plan something for next week. Part 3. Work/office/study. I need to send an important email. Can we discuss this later today? I'm running behind schedule. I'll finish this as soon as possible. This meeting is taking too long. I need to focus for a while. Could you please explain that more clearly? I'm still learning how this works. I'll double-check the details. Let me update the files first. I'm preparing for an important presentation. That's not part of my responsibility. I'll handle it from here. I think we need a better plan. Let me write this down. I need some time to review everything. I'm trying to stay organized. I completed all the tasks for today. Let's take a short break. I'm working on improving my productivity. Part 4. Practical/daily life. I need to charge my phone. The internet is not working properly. Can you turn down the volume? I forgot to lock the door. I need to pay some bills today. I'm going to the market. Can you help me carry this? I'm looking for something affordable. I need to check the expiry date. Let's order something online. I think we're out of milk. I need to make a grocery list. I'm trying to eat healthier. Let's go for an evening walk. I need to clean my room soon. The food smells really good. I'm trying to fix this problem. Please remind me later. I need to wake up early tomorrow. I'm planning to start a new routine. Part 5. Feelings and thoughts. I feel much better now. I'm trying not to overthink. I'm a little worried about that. I'm excited for tomorrow. I feel like I need a break. I'm grateful for everything I have. I'm trying to stay positive. I'm not fully confident yet. I trust your judgment. I didn't expect that reaction. I want to improve myself every day. I feel proud of what I achieved. That was not my intention. I need some peace and quiet. I'm trying to understand the situation. I'm thinking about making a change. That made me a little uncomfortable. I'm not in the mood for a discussion. I'm happy with the results. I feel like today went well. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed these 100 daily use sentences, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications. Comment below if you want 100 more new sentences or practice dialogues. See you in the next lesson.